Hello everyone, and welcome to TechnoYara, where we explore the latest technological innovations. Today, I'm going to be talking about Trolly.AI, a tool that can help you create professional SEO articles 2x faster. In this video, I'll show you how to create an account on Trolly.AI, how to use the tool to generate SEO articles, and how to improve the quality of your articles, etc. So without any delay, let's start the video.
To use this AI tool, you have to come to the homepage of this website. Links are given in the description box. You can simply come to this page by clicking on that. Here you can see the features of this tool. On the price option, you can check the price or plans, etc. Now let's see inside of this AI tool. First of all, you have to create an account to use this tool. To create an account, click on the Try Free option. Now here you have to fill these boxes. Write your name and write your mail ID. Choose a strong password and again confirm the password. After that, click on Sign Up. You can directly log in by login option if you have already created your account. After clicking Sign Up, open your email and click the Activate Account option. Then you will directly come to the home page. Now here you can see there are many options available. First of all, you should know that you have only 5 credits, which means you can generate only 5 posts, because it's a free trial plan. To generate articles, click on the New Documents option. Here you have to fill in your article-related information. In the heading or topic section, you have to write the topic of your article. And then write SEO keywords in this box. Choose your language. And after you have to choose the templates like, how many words do you want to write in your article? You can see the cost of credits and article length number of words by clicking these options. I have only 2 options to choose, short form and long form. Because we are using a free trial plan. Now click on the Generate Title option. Now you have to choose the best headlines for your article. You can regenerate headlines from this option. After choosing your headlines, click on the Generate Outline option. Here you can see, your outline is ready. Read it, and if you find well, click on the Generated Article options. And you can regenerate the outline from this option. For example, I am clicking on it. Now you can see my new outlines are ready. Choose Outlines and click the Generate Article option. Here your article is ready. You can see your heading on the top of the article. Below the heading you can see, there are many types of options available to edit your text or add any images and links, etc. Here is an option of Regenerate Article. You can regenerate your article by this option. So copy your article and use it on your blog post. In My Documents options, you can see your generated article. In Bulk Generation options, you can generate many articles from a single click. In the Billing section, you can see the plan of these AI tools.
So this was today's video. I hope you found this video informative and useful. If you have any question or suggestions related to this video, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos related AI and technology. Thanks for watching.